How to enable or disable decrease brightness by 10% for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and in here tap on device care. Then tap on battery. Tap on battery and then tap on power saving. Tap on the left hand side panel. After that, scroll down and tap on decrease brightness by 10%. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable decrease brightness by 10% for power saving. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.